Hi there, my name is Kanit. Today we will discuss about stages of development of human beings for understanding growth and change, guiding personal development and understanding lifespan dynamics. Human development, the process of growth and change that takes place between birth and maturity. Human growth is far from being a simple and uniform process of becoming taller or larger. As a child gets bigger, there are changes in shape and in tissue composition and distribution. Sigmund Freud and Erik Erikson proposed influential theories of human development, focusing on psychosocial and psychosexual stages, respectively.
Human growth is far from being a simple and uniform process of becoming taller or larger. As a child gets bigger, there are changes in shape and in tissue composition and distribution. Now we will discuss stages of human development according to Sigmund Freud and Erik Erikson. 1. Prenatal stage, conception to birth. 2. Infancy, birth to 1 year. 3. Toddler, 1 to 3 year. 4. Early childhood to 6 years. 5. Middle childhood, 6 to 12 years. 5. Adolescence, 12 to 18 years. 7. Early adulthood, 18 to 40 years. 8. Middle adulthood, 40 to 65 years. 9. Late adulthood, 65 plus years. 10. End of life, final stage.
First, prenatal stage. It is the time between conception and birth, when an embryo and fetus develops from zygote. After fertilization in the mother's womb, formation of major organs and structures occur. Rapid growth and cell differentiation and development of reflexes and basic sensory systems. Second is newborn stage, last from birth to 24 hours. Babies have limited abilities to control their emotions. They communicate through crying. Third is infancy, birth to 1 year's trust vs mistrust and oral stage. In it, physical, cognitive, emotional or social development occur. Baby feeding and gaining trust through nourishment. Fourth is toddler stage or anal stage. In it, autonomy versus shame and doubt occur. Toddler is learning control over bodily functions. Fifth is preschooler, initiative versus guilt and phallic stage. In this stage, child identifying with the same-sex parent, resolving the Oedipus or Electra complex. Sixth, school-age child. This is latency stage. In it, industry versus inferiority occur. Child developing social and intellectual skills. Success builds self-esteem. Failure leads to feelings of inferiority. Seventh, adolescence or genital stage, from 12 to 20 years. This is the stage of identity versus role confusion. Teenager establishing intimate relationships, contributing to society. Success leads to a stable identity. Failure results in confusion. 8th, early adulthood from 21 to 39 years. This is the stage of intimacy versus isolation occur. Newly adult build meaningful relationships, avoiding isolation. 9th is middle adulthood, 40-65 years. Generativity versus stagnation occur. Adult mainly focusing on productivity and legacy. However, stagnation leads to self-absorption. 10th, older adulthood stage, 65 plus years. This is stage of integrity versus despair. Reflection leads to a sense of fulfillment or regret. Lastly, the end of life stage is when a person's body systems shut down and death is imminent. This period can last from a few days to a couple of weeks. So, these were the stages of human development as per Sigmund Freud and Erik Erikson. Students may choose to study human growth and development because of its array of applications across many professional fields. Review stages by self. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you all.